The gauntlets of tutorials, the YouTube rabbit hole, start one Udemy course you bought on sale for $9.99 3 years ago, the brutally acquired computer science degree, a bootcamp badge of honor, and GitHub comments that look like you are trying to signal aliens. Look, people will go through all these things just to be hit with a job posting saying junior developer must have 5 years of experience with React, Angular, Vue, Svelte, and time traveling debugging tools.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Funny enough, most of us have been told at some point in our life that it doesn't matter what you really qualify for, just apply to as many as you can. Hey, spoiler alert, in this AI day and age, get ready for 100% rejection rate and 200% stock price crash of your self-confidence. I'm sorry. Don't worry, it's not your fault. Suddenly, junior doesn't mean beginner anymore. It means a full-stack wizard who would work for 1/3 of his senior salary and pretend to enjoy it. You scroll through a job listing that you want, then all of a sudden, the job is asking you to be able to architect scalable cloud microservices, manage a team of interns, perform dark magic on legacy code from 2008 that just works and no one even dare touches, all while fixing CSS bugs in Internet Explorer. Funny enough, this is where we come to realize the experience paradox. Can't get a job without experience and also can't get experience without a job. It's like asking a penguin to fly and then rejecting them because it didn't come with their own airplane. What? And the tech stacks? Oh yeah, the tech stacks. You must know React, you must know Angular, and just in case you migrate back in 2032, you must be fluent in REST, GraphQL, gRPC, and semaphore flag signaling. Hey, bonus point 2 if you once glanced at COBOL. You should also be able to deploy to AWS, Azure, and GCP simultaneously while standing on one leg with one eye closed. Now let's just say one time the gods of the Kuvuki lands decided to give you a chance and then you get the chance to get an interview with a company, right? Let's go through the interview process real quick. You submit your resume, take-home project, whiteboard algorithm challenge, 4 rounds of interviews, psychological evaluation probably, a culture fit lunch with a team where they ask you what your spirit animal is. Then, ghosted. Oh, wait. You thought they was gonna contact you? Bro!
Shut your
Bro, you just have to keep applying for more jobs, right? But hey, here's the truth, right? The junior developer job market is like a video game where the tutorial is harder than the final boss. Companies keep mashing senior level responsibilities into junior roles because the market lets them. And too many great new devs burn out thinking they are not good enough when the real problem is the job description and the fact that it was written by someone who thinks Kubernetes is a yoga position. So if you're out here grinding, learning, and applying, it's not you, it's the broken system. And if someone throws you into production with no mentorship and says you figure it out, they're not giving you a chance. They're just watching you to see if you sink or swim while they go refuel their $10 coffee.